In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the free order book in TradingView. Let's jump straight into it. Start by opening TradingView on a BTCUSDT chart. In your browser, head over to TradingView Supercharts by going to tradingview.com/chart. With the symbol set to Binance BTCUSDT, this will load the Bitcoin chart you need for this walkthrough. Once the chart loads, take a quick look at the upper left corner and confirm that the chart title says Bitcoin/Tether use. Then look across to the top toolbar and confirm that the trade button is visible there. These two checks make sure you are on the right chart and that the trading tools are available. Next, you need to open the free paper trading order panel. Click Trade in the top toolbar. Wait a moment for the order panel to open on the right side of the chart. Once it appears, confirm that the panel shows Order and DOM tabs at the top. Now switch from the order ticket to the order book. Click DOM at the top of the right side order panel. Look for the vertical price ladder inside the DOM panel. Confirm that the middle of the ladder lines up near the current BTCUSDT price. With the order book open, you can read it safely. Look at the red ask side in the DOM panel to see the sell liquidity sitting above the current price. Then look at the blue bid side in the DOM panel to see the buy liquidity sitting below the current price. Check the current price row, which sits in the center of the ladder. If the current price is not centered, click the center button in the DOM panel to bring it back into view. Now review the controls without placing an order. Check the quantity field at the bottom of the DOM panel. Then check the buy market button at the bottom of the DOM panel. Next to that, check the sell market button at the bottom of the DOM panel. Finally, check the cancel all control near the bottom of the DOM panel. Leave the order book open without clicking buy market or sell market. At this point, the TradingView DOM and order book panel is open on the BTCUSDT chart to the free paper trading setup. The screen shows the bid side, the ask side, the current price ladder, the centering control, the quantity field, and the cancel controls, all without using a real broker or live funds. Congratulations!